I'm Eric from Titan Fuel Tanks, here to talk to you guys about our midship replacement tank for the 2016 to 2018 Nissan Titan XD with a Cummins diesel engine. Before I dive into the details, first like talk about the truck here. This is Black Widow. It's a 2016 Nissan Titan XD. This truck is actually a sled pull points champion in 2 different states, as well as currently being the world's fastest Nissan Titan XD diesel in both the quarter-mile drag as well as the 8th-mile drag race. This truck actually came to Indianapolis all the way from New York on 1 tank of diesel, and that is what we're here to do, is to give you that extra range. That way you can avoid all those terrible pit stops along the way. The tank itself is made from our famous cross-linked military-grade polymer, and what's great about this material is that it's so durable and strong, we're actually able to put a lifetime warranty on it. So you're never going to have any issues with it getting punctured or damaged. So Black Widow is actually part of Venom Racing, and what's really great about Venom Racing is they have done so much to give back to those who have given everything for us. They are huge supporters of veterans and also the Wounded Warrior Foundation. Alex himself is actually a veteran and a wounded warrior, and we are more than happy to support any race team that is able to give back to the community in the way that they have. If you have any other questions about the Nissan Titan XD midship tank or any of our products in general, visit TitanFuelTanks.com.